Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, aim feel easier to make you fly. Sky is so high, if you don't know how to fly, aim feel easier to make you fly. Here we go.
The screen. Interpersonal skills. Can you see? Can you see? Personal skills. So what is related? They can see, ma'am. Okay, what is interpersonal skills? Interpersonal skills are the life skills we use every day to communicate and interact with people, both individual and in groups. People who have worked on developing strong interpersonal skills are usually more successful in both their professional and personal lives. Interpersonal skills are life skills we use every day to communicate and interact with other people, both individually and in groups. People who have worked on their developing strong interpersonal skills are usually more successful in both their professional and personal lives. Employers often seek to hire staff with strong interpersonal skills. They want people who will work well in a team and be able to communicate effectively with colleagues, customers, and clients. Okay, so you have to have a good interpersonal skills in an interview. Also, when you're going for an English interview, it's important for you to have a good interpersonal skill. Okay, when you have a good interpersonal skill, this will this will have a very good impact on the recruiters. Okay, so because you will only then you will be able to work well in a team, will be able to communicate effectively. So the selection of skills you need is full of information and practical advice that you can use to improve your interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills are not just important in the workplace or personal and social lives, and also benefit from better interpersonal skills. People with good interpersonal skills are usually perceived as optimistic, calm, confident, and charismatic. Qualities that are often endearing or appealing to others. Okay, they are not just important only in workplace or just one second. So it is not this interpersonal skill is just not important in workplace. Okay, it is important in our personal as well as in our social lives also, which can benefit us from by giving us a better interpersonal skill. Okay, people who have the skills are usually perceived as optimistic, calm, confident, and charismatic. Okay, whoever have the skill, interpersonal skill, and these qualities are often endearing and appealing to others. So these are the qualities which are which are very attractive. Okay, which makes you attractive and which will make you different from other people. Okay, this will give a good appeal about you to others. Through awareness of how you interact with others and with practice, you can improve your interpersonal skills. Skills you need aims to help you learn and develop your interpersonal skills by providing an extensive library of quality content. We hope that you find our content useful and rewarding. Okay, so interpersonal communication skills, what are they and how to improve them? So what is interpersonal communication skills and what are they and how to improve them? Interpersonal communication skills are an important part of everyday life, personally and professionally. However, not everyone is naturally good at it, and for most people, they need to learn and practice over time before they can communicate with ease. So these are the some communicating at the basic level. So to learn how to develop your interpersonal communication skills, you must first understand some fundamental principles of effective communication, what we can call the Greek philosophy of communication or influence. This is a three-level communication approach: ethos, pathos, and logos. Ethos denotes ethics, in other words, your capability as a communicator. How trustworthy are you and what do you know that your audience should trust and listen to you. Pathos means empathy, the feeling or understanding you have of the person listening to you. Logos stands for logic. And it has to do with the strength of your thoughts and the power of your presentation. This means to communicate effectively, you must first have credibility, understand your listener, and coherently present your thoughts. So there are some ways to improve your interpersonal skills. Here are 6 practical ways to improve your interpersonal communication skills. So first is seek out opportunity to lead. Okay, sometimes when everyone you are given a task, sometimes people look for such opportunity to show their skills, to showcase their talent. Sometimes, okay, suppose if you are a good dancer, okay, and you are sitting in a crowd, okay, there are so many people around you, okay, everyone is good at something, so you want to show some, like if there are recruiters, or if there are someone like management people, or anyone whom you want to impress might be in that crowd. So sometimes you want to showcase that you are different from others, so you have a good talent and something. So in that case, so many people wait for that chance, okay, to showcase their talent in that crowd. So sometimes you not have to hesitate. If in case you are sitting in a crowd and somebody is a good dancer, okay, he will wait for an opportunity to showcase his talent in front of all the crowd. So if you will be given a task, for example, suppose say dance, okay, so the recruiter might ask you if anybody wants to dance, he can dance. So you should confidently go and lead yourself, okay, you can be the leader, you can go and make a team of you can do a group dance, might be. So you can take some of the candidates, some of the who came for interview and all. Okay, if not interview, also your co-workers or your friends, or if it is a class anywhere. I'm just giving an example of interview because now we are only focusing about interviews. Okay, in AirAsia and all, they do this kind of group activities in interviews, so that is why I'm telling. So then you can take four members from the candidates who are interested to dance. You can lead them. You can show the recruiters will notice that you are leading the team. Okay, how you are coordinating with the team, how you are the way you are trying to, that way you're communicating with your team, everything will be noticed, everything, they will keep a record of it, and then they will judge you according to that. So you should always be the one who should have a good leadership skill. Also, you should come upfront, you should give yourself a platform of exposing to others, not by hesitating and sitting in the crowd and then thinking that, oh shit, I would have danced but I missed the chance. Never do that, okay, never do that. Instead, you can just go upfront and show that you are confident enough for that job. You are confident enough to dance in front of everyone. Okay, you are confident enough to lead your team. You can, okay, you give a good judgment also. Teamwork, okay, with your team, you coordinate with your team very properly. Ask their views, take their views, okay, and then give your views also, and then accordingly you can perform. Take a speech course if you really want to improve your interpersonal
Can I hear the song, ma'am?
Cannot hear. Yeah, you can see the text. That is why I display the text video, because I'm done with today's topic about the text topic. So I was showing you the videos.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. People, can you please switch on your cameras? People, are you there? Can you switch on your cameras, please? Can you please switch on your cameras? You are there? Are you able to? Yeah, please switch on your cameras. I want to see all of you. Because there are some tasks for you. So that is why. Please switch on your cameras. It's a request to all of you. Please kindly switch on your cameras, or else I will be giving tasks for the ones who has switched off the cameras. Not able to see anyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Snowmika.
Hello? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Snowmika. Can you? Yesterday I was talking about some interpersonal skills. Sorry, some introduction about yourself. The questions that are frequently asked by the interviewers. So, Snowmika, can you tell me why you want to be a cabin crew?
Yes, I want to explore to many places, and I want to know about. I want to gain more knowledge about other countries and people. So I want to become a cabin crew.
Anything else you want to include in that? Anything else you want to include? Snowmaker? Okay, Snowmaker, where are you from? Where are you from?
No, ma'am.
Where are you from?
Hello.
Yes, where are you from, Snowmaker?
I'm from Tamil Nadu, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm from Tamil Nadu.
Okay. And what is your? Can you please tell me about yourself?
Hello. My name is Nomika Sri. I'm from Kanyakumari district. I have completed my 12th grade. And now I'm going through cabin crew training.
Okay. Okay, so you can just tell that hello. Okay, just you can, in your introduction, you can add your name, your school, from where you have done your schooling, from where you have done your college, and then you can add your hobbies. Okay, what is your hobby? You can also add what your parents are, occupation is. My mother is a housewife, my father is a businessman, or he is a policeman, whatever. You can just add those things in your introduction, as well as you can also tell that you can tell if you have any work experience. You can tell that, or if you have any achievement in your life, like you are a national, state level player or something achievement you have, you can say those things. Can you add those things and tell me about yourself now?
Okay, sure, ma'am. Hi, I'm Nomika Sri. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I have completed my schooling in Excel Higher Secondary School. And
Okay.
I think my biggest achievement is I got the district level first prize in running. That's my biggest achievement. My parents, my mom is a housewife. My father is a businessman. Thank you.
Stomika, I can now see you are telling your introduction. You are telling everything all over the place. All the sentences are all over. Everything is nice. Okay, you have a good fluency. You are telling it very fluently. Your pronunciation is very nice. Okay, your English is very fluent. Your voice is very sweet. So these are the plus point about you. But you have to improve in forming the sentences in the correct place. Suppose if you're telling the introduction about yourself, first you have to tell your name. Okay, first you introduce your name, your age. Okay, second point is age. You tell about your age. Then you tell about your schooling, where you have done your schooling from, and then you can tell about your family. Okay, not schooling. Leave schooling. You first thing your name, then your age, then the location. You're from which place, your birthplace, and your current city where you're staying right now. Then you can tell about your parents, your family. How many members are there in your family? Who, okay, how many? We are 5 members in our family. My mother is a homemaker. My father is a businessman. I have 3 brothers. Okay, you can tell about, if you want to speak about your brothers, what they are doing, you can speak about that. Okay, then the next point would be uh, your schooling and your 12th pass, whatever. Then the next point will be if you have an experience in work. Third, and the next one will be, at last you can tell about your hobbies, and then the greatest achievement, the last one. So you have to form like this accordingly. Can you tell your introduction now again to me?
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Hi, I'm Snomika Sri. I'm
Hmm?
from Kanyakumari. Hello?
Yes,
Hello, can you hear me, ma'am?
yes, I am hearing you. Please tell me.
Hi, I'm Snomika Sri. I am 18 years. I have completed my schooling in Kanyakumari district, Excel Higher Secondary School.
Hmm?
We are 3 members in our family: my mom, my dad, and me. I don't have any siblings.
Hmm. If you don't have any siblings, then don't mention. You don't have to say I don't have 5 siblings. If you have siblings, you can tell I have 3 brothers or 3 sisters. Do not use the word siblings. Okay, I have 1 brother, 2 sisters. You can say like that. But if you do not have any sibling, then just leave it. Yeah, proceed.
Hobby is to read books. I like to read books, like I love novels.
Yeah,
My
please
mom
continue.
is in house.
Again,
My mom is in house.
you're fumbling. So first, what points? Do you have a notebook with you, Snowmaker?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please take your notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first point you write about your name. First write your name.
Okay, ma'am.
First point wise I'm telling. Okay, then your age.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Then members in your family. We are 3 members in our family because there are 3 of you, right? There are 3.
Okay, ma'am.
We are 3 members in our family. Then you can write about your father's and mother's occupation. My father is a businessman, my mother is a homemaker, whatsoever it is. Okay, and the occupation of your parents. Okay, fourth point, and the next point you can write your about your education, from where you completed your 10th and from where you completed your 12th. Okay, next point you write about that. The other thing, your hobbies,
Okay, ma'am.
and then your greatest achievement.
Okay, ma'am.
Now please continue.
Hi, I'm Snomika Sri. I am 18 years old. We are 3 members in our family: myself, my mom, and dad. My father is a businessman. My mom is a homemaker. I have completed my 12th grade in Excel Higher Secondary School. My hobby is to read books. I like to read novels, and I think the greatest achievement in my life is when I got the district level first place in running. Thank you.
Okay, very well said. Well done. Okay, so now I would request Rohit Karmakar. Rohit Karmakar, are you there? Rohit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, can you please tell me about yourself, Rohit?
Ma'am, I am Rohit Karmakar and I am from Calcutta. I have 3 members in my house. Myself.
No, you cannot say I have 3 members in my house. We are 3 members in our family.
Okay. We are 3 members in our family. Myself, my mother, and my father. My mother is a homemaker and my father is a businessman.
Okay.
Thank you.
No, okay, you have to proceed with your education. You have to proceed with your listing, your hobbies and your greatest achievement.
I have done my 10th and 12th from Techno India Group Public School, and I have just cleared my 10th, 12th,
Okay.
and I am 19 years of old.
Okay.
And my hobby is to, what to say, ma'am?
Whatever it is, listening music or gaming or
Like I like everything during this time, this pandemic situation.
what everything. You cannot say everything. You have to select two of them, any two or any one of them. You cannot say so many hobbies, or you cannot say, no, it looks bad when you're introducing yourself. If you say so many hobbies, it will sound very bad. You can either add one hobby or two hobbies. Okay, either you can say I like to listen to music, or if you are saying
Actually, I like to play cricket.
yeah, you can say that. Okay, now without fumbling, without stopping in between, can you say in one full paragraph with in a good fluency?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, because in airlines the fluency is very very important. They are very particular about fluency. Please continue.
Hi everyone, this is Rohit, and I am from Calcutta, and I have done my schooling from Techno India Group Public School. I have just cleared my class 12, and I am 19 years of old, and we have 3 members in our family. Myself, my mother, and my father. My mother is a homemaker, and my father is a businessman. And my hobby is to play cricket.
Rohit, I would like to request you to proceed once again because I heard you and the way you spoke, the words were a little unclear and the words like you ate the words, you spoke the words inside your mouth. Okay, what one tip I can give for you is open your mouth and then speak so that you know your words will be clear. And the recruiter, sorry, huh?
I think it is a network problem.
No, you open your mouth and then speak. That is a tip for you. It's not something different. It is a tip. It is a kind of tips. Okay, tips. It is a tips. So whenever you want the other person to understand to what you are saying, what you can do is you have to speak each and every word, okay, clearly. And how you can speak clearly? By opening your mouth and speaking every word. Okay, this will help in making the other person understand in a proper way. Can you please continue, Rohit, without fumbling? Okay, I want you to be very fluent in the whole introduction so that you will not say ah, oh, ah. Okay, be very clear and be very fluent. Okay, Rohit. Sorry. Yeah,
Yes.
continue. I know you can do it. Continue, please.
Hi everyone, this is Rohit, and I am from Calcutta. I have done my schooling from Techno India Group Public School from Calcutta. I am 19 years of old, and we have 3 members in our family. Myself.
No, I'm correcting you again. You don't say we have, so we are 3 members in our family. You can just say we are 3 members in our family. Never say we have because you do not have the 3 members. Like, are you an object? Do you have something? Is the family to be addressed with have? No, right? Yeah, so just tell we are because you guys are a family, right? You are a family. You do not have a family. I mean, you are not a house to have a family. You are a person, so you will be telling we are 3 members in our family. Okay, just continue, Rohit.
Hi everyone, this is Rohit. I am from Calcutta, and I have done my schooling from Techno India Group Public School from Calcutta. I am
Okay.
19 years of old, and I have 3 members.
Again,
Sorry.
we are 3 members in our
We
family.
have 3 members in our family.
Okay.
Myself, my father, and my mother. My mother is a homemaker, and my father is a businessman. And
Okay.
my hobby is to play cricket.
Okay. Guys, let's take a 5 minutes breather. So just do not leave the meeting. You can unmute. You can unmute yourself. Sir, you can mute yourself. We'll be back by 14:38. Let's take a 5 minutes breather. Okay? Are you okay with it, people? People, are you there? You guys there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. No videos, all of you. Ankita? Ankita Kumari?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Ankita.
Hello, ma'am.
Where are you from, Ankita?
Ma'am, I'm from Patna.
Okay. Okay, so what is your
home?
Sorry.
What is your hometown?
Ma'am, I'm from Patna, but I basically live from Jalandhar.
Okay, okay. Something is wrong.
I'm basically from Patna, but presently live in Jalandhar for my study. I've completed my 12th from KMB College from Jalandhar. In my family, apart from my parents, I have one elder sister and one elder brother. My hobbies are listening music and playing badminton. And I'm also player of kabaddi. When I am in a school, I've achieved medals and certificates. My aim is to become an air hostess. Thank you.
Yeah, Ankita, you're very beautiful, okay? But I'll take a grooming session in a while. Not today, but might be, might be day after tomorrow or after 2-3 days. I'll take a grooming session. So, Ankita, you have a little bit. Everything is fine. You were fluent, okay? You were not stopping in between. You were speaking fluently. Your speech was really fluent, okay? I liked it. But only thing which I noticed in you is you have a little of MTI issue. Mother tongue influence is there in your English. You have little bit of Punjabi accent. I can listen a little bit of Punjabi accent in your this thing. Whenever you are speaking, try to watch lots and lots of this thing English movies. Try listening English movies. Try singing English songs. Okay. Okay, even I also in my past I had an MTI because I'm from Assam, so even I had the same issue, MTI. I had a little bit of Eastern accent, not a Punjabi accent, but an Eastern accent. So even I was going through the same problem. So I overcome it by watching movies and videos. Just 1 second, okay? Just give me. So I will suggest you to watch lots and lots of English movies. Try to speak in English every time with whoever you can, your friends, your sisters, or whoever it is. Try to speak with them in English. Okay, that way your English will become better. And can you speak one sentence for me? You said, okay, just speak any sentence for me. I will tell you where all you have to look upon.
What I can say?
Ankita?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Were you able to hear me? Like, was I audible to you, Ankita? Just
Yes.
before. Okay, so Ankita, please tell me any sentence you tell me.
What?
Okay, so what was your last qualification?
I'm completed my 12th.
Okay, so you are using an accent like I have completed my 12th. So you just be firm, you just be straight, okay? When you are speaking English, just forget about what language you're speaking about, Hindi, or in home or with your friends. Just forget about that. Because in aviation, English is very important, very, very, very important, okay? Okay, and for people who doesn't know Hindi, for them also knowing Hindi is very important, knowing English is very important, but without MTI, without mother tongue influence. Mother tongue influence is very common thing nowadays. Okay, many people from east and west part of India, they do have that. Even south, they have a different MTI influence. So I will suggest you to, whenever you are speaking, you just speak straight. Can you tell how you said? Can you say, I have completed my 12th from which school you said?
From KMB College, Jalandhar.
Okay, so I have completed my 12th standard from KMB College Jalandhar. Can you just say like that without using the MTI? Don't use the MTI. Don't say I have completed my. Don't say all this. Just say I have completed. I have completed. Just say like that. Straight.
I completed.
I have
I have
completed. Completed.
I have completed.
Completed. Completed. Just say completed. Completed. Completed.
Completed.
Yeah, completed.
Completed.
My 12th from.
My 12th from KMB College, Jalandhar.
Yeah, just say straight. Okay, don't use any tones and tunes. That is, these people while taking interview, they will say that you have an MTI issue. That is why I'm saying, trying to correct you. Okay, don't feel offended. Okay. Anything else you want to ask me, Ankita? But Ankita will suggest you, please do watch English movies and sing English songs, okay? And if you hear English movies, I mean, listen to the way they talk, okay? Try hearing it in earphones, and then try listening like how they are pronouncing their words, okay? Mostly in English is known as a phonetic language. Because you know why? Because people, English is a language where you do not pronounce it like in Hindi, whatever it is written. Mera, you say me upar, you know that ekar is there, ra is there, mera ho gaya. But in this English, there are so many silent words. There are so many words which you cannot spell them and pronounce them. You should always learn the sounds of the language. Okay, you should always know the sounds of the language. Like suppose, okay, just give me. I'll show you what is phonetics in a video. Do you guys have a laptop with you right now?
Actually, ma'am, I am doing my class in the laptop.
Okay, no problem. See, like there are words like busy. Busy is B-U-S-I. So if it would be Hindi or any other regional language, they will say B-U-S-Y, busi. They will say like that, right? They will spell it according to their word. But English is not like that. English is like, it's all about sounds. Okay, there are so many sounds in English language. That is why it is known as a phonetic language. Okay, suppose if it's B-U-S-Y, the spelling is B-U-S-Y, but they will pronounce it according to their sound. They will pronounce it as busy. B-Z, okay, not B-U-S-Y, boo and C, busi. They will not say like that. And suppose the word Q, Q-U-E-U-E, okay, this is a word. They will say Q. Okay, if it is Hindi or some other language, they will try to pronounce it as, like whatever the word, whatever the alphabets are, according to the alphabets, they will try to pronounce it. Q-E-U, like it, they will say, Q-U-E-U. The spelling is Q. You understand the meaning of Q, right? Waiting in a line. So even laughter. So they will not say laughter. That E-E-R is there, laughter. L-A-U-G-A-C-E-R. Spelling is laughter. So they will not say laughter. They will say laughter. the R is silent there. So for these things, rather than reading books, Ankita, I will suggest you to watch lots and lots of English movies, and you listen to the English songs and try to sing them. You'll understand. You'll understand how they speak. You'll understand the sounds of English. You'll try to speak after that. Okay, try to record after that how you're speaking. You should compare your own recording with the movie. What is the mistake in your distinct words, and what is the how the people in the movie they are talking. Got it, Ankita?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm. Avishna Prasad. Avishna Prasad. Avishna. Avishna, you there? Avishna? Avishna is not there. Avishna? Not there? Okay, not there. No, it's okay. Saurav Kamdi. Saurav Kamdi. I would request all of you to please, otherwise I'll mark absent. I have to mark absent for Avishna because I did not get any response from her. I would request everyone to switch on your videos, please. Everyone is requested to switch on their videos, all of you. Okay. Saurav, please tell me about yourself.
Yes, ma'am. I am from Chandrapur district, Maharashtra. I have done my graduation in BCom with computer application. Including me, we are four in our family. My mother is a homemaker.
Okay.
Father is businessman.
Okay.
He is working in a hospital as a pharmacist.
Okay.
I have experience in ICICI Bank as a customer service officer.
Okay.
And that my roles and responsibilities are handling queries of customer regarding their credit card. Queries like reversal on wrong charges, replacement for credit card, and card is pre-dispatch and billing cycle change. I've
Okay.
also done my certification in process of typing speed 40 MS Office and CSCP martial arts. My
Okay.
hobbies are meditation and martial arts.
Okay.
In sports, my achievements are in national level and state level tournaments.
Okay.
That's all about me.
Oh, I forgot your name. How to pronounce your name?
Saurav. My name is Saurav.
Okay, Saurav. Why do you want to become where you want to join, Saurav? Which department you want to join?
Like I'm interested in cabin crew, ma'am.
Okay, so why cabin crew, Saurabh? Because you already have a good experience in credit card department. I think you should have a good career there. Why cabin crew, Saurabh?
Because I'm completely focused now into aviation. So
Okay.
I want to choose that job related to aviation.
Okay, so why aviation?
Yes, ma'am, because I want to, I like interested in aviation. Like,
Okay, so Saurav, these are the questions which recruiters will be asking you because you are changing a job from one department to another department. So they will ask you questions like, what made you change the job from customer service of a credit card, that ICICI Bank, and then join aviation. It's a totally different thing. So why aviation? Why cabin crew? They will ask you questions like that. So you have to give a very good answer. Saurabh, I'm impressed with your first introduction. Okay, the way you introduced yourself was very good, very fluent, and you have added all the things which I was expecting. Okay, That is very nice of you, but I think I do not have to teach you what to say but I will definitely give you the idea. Okay, tomorrow I'll ask you the same question. If tomorrow you're not able to give the answer, then I'll definitely help you, but I'll give you 1 day of time to find a good answer for the questions of why you want to change the job, why from customer service to why from bank department to aviation, why aviation, what is so special about aviation that you would like. So these are the questions which recruiters will be asking you. Same questions I am giving a day time for you to prepare with your own words. Okay, if tomorrow you will not be able to give me a perfect answer, definitely I will be helping you. Okay, no problem, no issues at all. Okay, thank you so much, Saurav.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Mishan, are you there?
Hello,
Mishan?
ma'am.
Yes, hello,
Hello.
Mishan, can you please tell me about yourself?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Mishan K. Jones. I'm from Kerala.
Okay.
I'm born and brought up in a small district in Kerala known as Wayanad.
Okay.
And I'm from a nuclear family consisting of my father, mother, and I have an older sister. I completed my secondary studies last year, and my hobbies are listening people and also talking with people. My ambition is to become a cabin crew. I believe that communicating with other people opens a gate of opportunity in front of me. So I like communication, so I want to be a cabin crew. Thank you.
Okay. I forgot your name. How to pronounce your name?
Mishan.
Yeah, Mishan, everything was very good. You were perfect. Okay. Mishan, please switch on your camera. I'm not able to see you actually.
Ma'am, actually my camera is on.
Okay, no problem. I'm not able to see you only.
1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, can you able to see me?
Okay, we'll leave it. Just, Mishan, I would like to give you feedback. Even you have an MTI issue. You also have a mother tongue influence issue. Okay, just try avoiding it. As I already suggested Anjali to watch lots of English movies and all.
Okay.
So I'll suggest you the same thing. Do watch English movies. Do sing English songs. Do do a recording of your own speech. Try to make a short speech and then speak by yourself. Try to do a recording, hear it, and then compare with the ones in the movies and all. Okay, English songs and movies, and then you get to understand about the mistakes. The issue with you is you have a habit of thought problem. Okay, this t you pronounce t as th. Okay, if it's if it's talk, you will pronounce it as talk. So you pronounce t as th. So that is the issue. Try not to use the th. Okay, do not use and once again, I will tell you not to use wanna and gonna be. All these languages are informal words. Okay, in professional communication, these are something that should be avoided always.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, just whenever you are speaking English, if you are speaking da, don't tell us tha. Okay, suppose, can you please tell me your sentence? I'll highlight you then where you need the improvement.
Which sentence I want to repeat. I'm sorry.
Anything, any sentence you can say.
I am Mishan K. Jones.
Okay.
I am from Kerala, and my ambition want to become a cabin crew.
Yeah, see, you cannot say want, you cannot say Kerala. Okay, you have to say Kerala. Okay. And Kerala, you are from Kerala, and you want to become. Don't say want to. Don't say th. Okay, that is tha pronunciation. Tha sound. That is not required. You have to always say I want to become a cabin crew. Okay, I have completed my 12th standard. You can say like that. Can you please say once again?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, please continue.
I completed my secondary studies last year.
Yeah, it is good. It is good. It is a good improvement. This time I am hearing a less th sound. It is good. Continue.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, continue. Please.
And I'm from a nuclear family consisting of my father, mother, and I have an elder sister.
So
she is doing.
Please do not say nuclear family. You can say in my family there are 3 members. So you can say in my family there are 3 members, or we are 3 members in a family. Do not say nuclear family and all. And this is not appropriate for an introduction paragraph. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Continue.
Okay. My family. Ma'am, I have completely.
Okay. This how many members are there in your family?
Including me, there is 4 members in my family.
So you can just say there are 4 of us in our family. There are 4 members in our family. There are 4 members in our family. You can say like that. Yeah, continue.
There are 4 members in my family. And I have an elder sister. She's doing her BTech. And my hobbies are listening peoples and communicating with peoples.
Communicating, not communicating.
Okay.
Just still communicating. I'll give you some videos. You can listen to those and practice. Okay.
Okay.
Just again, just commuting the sentence you say again.
My hobbies are communicating with people and listening others. Hello, ma'am.
Listening. What you said? Listening.
Others, listening people.
No, you cannot say that. You can either say I like interacting with people. You can say I like interacting with people. You cannot. Yeah, that is. You cannot say I like to communicate to others. I like to listen to others. Those are inappropriate sentence. Okay, you cannot say those.
Okay.
Instead, you can just say I like to interact with people. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Please continue.
I like to interact with people. And my ultimate aim, my ambition want to become a cabin crew.
Okay, so you just say my ambition is to become a cabin crew. You do not say my ultimate goal and ambition both together. That will be inappropriate. Okay, just say one.
Okay, ma'am.
My ambition is to become a cabin crew. Yeah. Yeah, tell.
Okay, ma'am.
This is if you if you'll be fluent only in one paragraph, you'll set correct words and it will be in a fluent manner, and if there will be no fumbling in between, then in first round itself you will see the magic of getting recruited by the airline. Okay, that's why I'm guiding you, because I don't want you to go to an interview again, not getting selected, coming back and then feeling sad. That is not. I don't want you guys to face that. I just want you to, all of you to clear in one go, in one round itself. That is why I'm correcting each one of you. I'll listen to each one of you. I'll correct if there is any mistakes. And if there is not mistakes, then you can proceed. Yeah, please tell me.
Okay. Ma'am, where should I start?
That language, the communicating language. Communicating sentence.
Okay, my hobbies are communicating with, interacting with people.
My hobby is to interact with people. That's it. Stop it there itself. Yeah.
Okay.
Tell me.
Okay. Then my aim is to become a cabin crew. And
Okay, take your time, relax. Okay, relax, take your time. I'll come back to you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Hmm. Shilka, Shilka.
Yes, ma'am.
Shilka, can you please tell me about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I am Shilka Shilpen. Now I am 18. I am completed my plus 2 in RKGVHSS.
Sorry,
We are in my
sorry. Please, can you repeat once again?
I am Shilka Shilpen. I completed my plus 2 in
I'm
RKGVHSS.
sorry, I'm not able to hear you. You completed your 12th and what you said? Shilka?
In RKGVHSS.
Sorry?
Are you
Yes,
hearing me?
ma'am. Yes, Shilka. Please tell me. Tell me, Shilka.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh?
In RKGVHSS. GVHS
So, can you spell it?
GVHSS Miracle.
That is very difficult to understand. Can you spell it?
Government Vocational Higher
Okay,
Secondary
it
School,
is.
ma'am.
Okay, it is a school. Okay, okay. Please continue. Please continue.
We are in four.
Hmm?
We are four in my family.
Okay. Do not stop, Shilka. Please continue. Okay, where you can speak. Fluently. Okay, without stopping. It was good, Shilpa. Please continue.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
We are four in my family. Mom, dad,
And
mother, father, and older sister,
okay,
younger sister.
okay.
Mother is homemaker.
Hmm.
Father is a businessman. Younger sister is studying in 9th standard.
Shilka, if you'll talk like this, then it will be difficult. You know, very difficult. You should talk without stopping in between. You should talk like my mother is a homemaker, my father is a businessman. We are three of us in our family. We are three members in our family. I completed my 12th from whatever college you said. Okay, and my hobby is to listen to music. And the greatest achievement in my life is that I scored 90% above in the 12th standard. You can say these things in a very, fluent way. You do not have to stop in between and never stop in between and never, take a break while speaking some sentences. If you are speaking something, then make sure that it is a thorough, it is going in the wave of your speech should go in a thorough way. You should not think for the next sentence, again stop, again think for the next sentence. That is not appreciable. Kindly speak without stopping. Shilpa, can you start again?
Okay, ma'am. My name is Shilka Shilpen. I am completed my plus 2 in RKGVHSS. We are in four in my family. Mother, father, and older
There are
sister.
there are four members in my family. My mother, my father, and my brother, and myself. You can say like that. There are four members in my family. You can say like that. Okay. Please continue.
Mother, father, and older sister.
Okay. So we are. So can you please repeat the sentence? There are four members in my family.
We are four members in my family. Mother, father, and older sister.
There are four members in my family. Okay, no problem. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. Mother is a homemaker, father businessman, sister is old, ninth standard. Mm, my ambition is a cabin crew.
Okay, you're stopping, Shilpa. Okay, you take your time. I'll come back to you again. Okay. Divya Khadaria. Divya Khadaria.
Yes, ma'am.
Divya, can you please tell me about yourself?
Yeah. My name is Divya Khadaria. I am 21 years old. I am graduate. I have done my graduation from Amity University, Mumbai, in business management, and my again 10th and my senior secondary was from Surat, Agarwal Vidya Vihar School. I am basically from Rajasthan, but currently living in Gujarat, and we are 4 members in my family. My younger brother, my mother and father. My father is again a businessman in textiles, and my mother is a social worker plus agent in Mixed Life Insurance. And my younger brother, he is studying in 9th standard. Coming to my hobbies are dancing, seeing English web series. I'm very fond of Netflix and Amazon and all. And I like bike riding, having different types of food, and reading books again. And my favorite author is Chetan Bhagat. Then my interest is in aviations. That's what the point was. I chose this field. I want to become risk analysis and ground stopping.
Okay, Divya, everything was fine. Okay, everything was fine. Just that in your introduction, the sentences you were speaking, it was not in the correct place. Your accent was good, your fluency was good, your voice was good. Okay, there was no stoppage in between. It was fluent. Okay, it was going on and on. So what you have to do is you have to arrange your lines accordingly when you are saying your introduction, when you are speaking about yourself. Okay, only just remember one thing. First, you speak about yourself. Then, if you want to speak about your family, then you can speak about your family. Then your education part. Okay, you can speak about education part, and then your hobbies. Okay, your hobbies, you can talk about your hobbies, and lastly, if you have an achievement or interest, or like how you said about why you wanted to be a ground staff, so that you can say either your achievement or either whatever interest you are. Otherwise, everything was good. So please take care of the way I said, where to place which sentence, arrange the sentence properly, and then speak. Okay.
Okay.
And one more thing, Shilpa, you cannot say so many hobbies. Just try to speak about 1 or 2 hobbies. Okay, that will sound great because it is an interview, and people might not have so much of time to hear so many hobbies. So either you can say, I like to read books. Okay, one of my favorite authors is Chetan Bhagat. You can speak about that, or you can say, what all you said, traveling also you mentioned, right?
Yeah, and having different types of food.
Okay, so you can just mention 2 of them. Okay, not more than 2, because then it will sound like a messy introduction. Got it?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Celsia de Silvia. Celsia, you there? Okay, Celsia, please tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Silvia De Silva. I'm 18 years old, and I was born and brought up in Mumbai. I completed my HSC from St. Andrews College of Arts, Science and Commerce, which is in Bandra. And I completed my SSC from Holy Cross Convent School, which is in Mira Road. I'm currently pursuing my first year BCom from the same college, and BBA in Airlines and Airport Management from MP International Institute. And there are 4 members in my family, consisting of mom, dad, younger brother, and myself. My mom works in a medical line, and my dad is a business.
Okay. I forgot your name. Can you please tell me your name? The
Yeah.
one. Okay.
Sorry. Hello.
Yes, yes. Please continue.
Actually, I got a call.
Okay. From whom?
I just got a call. So, till where did you hear?
That's fine. Okay. So in between, yeah, you are not audible in between, but that's fine. Everything was fine. There's the family part, as I already mentioned. When you're speaking about your family, try to speak about your family in the beginning itself. Once you tell your name, you can tell about your family, and then you can speak about your family. I mean your parents, about your parents. Okay, their occupation and whatever you want to speak. Don't speak in the last. Otherwise, everything was perfect. What was your name?
Celsia.
Celsia, everything was perfect. Okay, the answer you gave me was really good. I liked it. Really nice one. Okay, no,
Thank you.
I mean, you not have not much improvement required. Only just the thing. Just speak about your family. Like in the beginning itself. That's it. Otherwise, everything was fine. Okay, Sylvia, can you answer me? Like, why you want to be cabin crew?
Are you asking me?
Yes, yes.
Actually, it is like my dream since I was a child. Since I traveled first time in a flight, it was like they fascinated me a lot. I even have a picture with them.
Okay.
So yeah, so it was like a dream.
Okay. And can you tell me, okay, can you tell me something about your birthplace?
I was born in Mumbai itself.
Okay, please tell me about Mumbai. Something about Mumbai.
Yeah, Mumbai is a city of dreams. Like a lot of people come here to study from our city. There is a good place here over here near Bandstand, Marine Drive to visit and also new people. And the tourist attraction for here is like Alibag. At least I like Alibag. To go for visit home and all.
Okay, okay, Chelsea, a little bit concentrate about the place. Okay, they might ask you about tell me about your hometown or tell me about the place you come from. Tell me about your current place. Just I'll give you a 1 day time. Today you can just collect some of your words, and phrase a good paragraph, and then tomorrow I would love to listen to it. If not satisfactory, I'll definitely help you with that. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Alina Ginson. Alina.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, please tell me about yourself, Alina.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, I'm Alina Jinsan. I'm from Cochin in Kerala. I'm 19 years of old, and we are 3 members in our family. My mom, me, and my elder sister. My mom is a homemaker, and my sister is doing her BCom in finance and taxation.
Okay.
I have completed my 10th from the Alva Settlement Higher Secondary School in Alva, and my plus 2 studies from Government Higher Secondary School in Bhutan. And my hobbies are listening to music and interacting with others. And why I choose this aviation, because I think it's a better way of service and communication. That's why I chose it. And also, also it gives the opportunity to learn more languages and know people around the world.
Okay. Everything was good, okay, but you do not have to question in your own introduction. The thing which is not right in your introduction was that you question yourself why aviation. Okay, you shouldn't question like it. You can just frame a sentence like I want to choose aviation because. Okay, I like aviation because. You can just say in a sentence, but never ask yourself a question in when a recruiter is already present. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And like your voice was little low, so try to give some energy. Okay, try to this thing, your introduction should sound very energetic. Okay, full of energy. It should sound positive, energetic, and very jolly one, happy one. Okay, do not speak very in a low tone. Okay, otherwise everything was good. It was nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Umrah Ansari. Umrah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please, can you please tell me about yourself, Umrah?
Hello, ma'am. I'm Umrah Ansari from Delhi. I have 17 years experience of my life, and I recently passed 12th class from CBSE board.
Okay, Umrah, what you said, I was not able to understand. Can you please repeat yourself?
Repeat?
Yes.
Okay. I'm Umrah Ansari from Delhi. I have 17 years experience of my life. I recently passed 12th.
What you said?
Years of.
Huh?
I am 17 years old.
Okay, you are 17 years old. Okay, yeah, you are 17 years old. Yeah, you can say like that. I'm 17 years old. Yes, continue, please.
Okay, I recently passed 12th class from CBSE board. Yeah, I have 4 sisters. My father is self-employed and my mother is homemaker. Yeah. I want to become a ground staff. So I joined MPhil Academy. Yeah, okay.
Okay, so you do not have to stop saying for you. Okay, you do not have to stop, Umrah. You can speak without stopping in between. Just don't give a full stop and comma when you're speaking. When you're speaking, only when necessary, when it is a sentence, you can give a full stop. You can pause for a while. No doubt, you can pause for a while. But you do not have to, pause for so long that people will think you are thinking about what to speak about the next line. Okay, so don't make people think that what she is thinking. Okay, make the pause a shorter one whenever you are speaking something. Otherwise, everything is fine. Wait, 1 second, can you tell me without a pause, without any pause? Umrah?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please once again,
I'll try, ma'am.
please.
Okay, ma'am. I'm Umrah Ansari from Delhi. I have 17 years old. I recently passed 12th class from CBSE board. I have 4 sisters and my father is self-employed. My mother is housewife and I want to become a ground staff, so I joined MPhil Academy.
That's it, okay. Okay, I'll give you a better one tomorrow. I'll make you practice a better one that is not appropriate, okay? You have to tell something with more energy, more positive energy, more, with lots of interpersonal skills. That is why I was talking about interpersonal skills today. So in your this thing, I was that interpersonal skill was absent. Okay, I'll help you to bring that in your in your introduction.
Okay.
Don't worry about that. But little more energetic, more confident, more energetic while speaking. Other than that, everything was fine. No response. Srini, Yadu Srini, not present. Trisa Shine. Trisa? Yeah, Trisa, please.
Yes, ma'am.
About yourself.
Okay, ma'am. My name is Trisa Shine Simendi. I am 24 years old. I come from Kerala. We are 5 members in my family. My dad is
a welder, and my mother, a housewife, and my first sister is a teacher and then is housewife, and then me. And then I have completed in BCom from Lakshmi College in North Parur. I'm married. I have a 2 years baby child.
Okay.
And
Okay, Divya, I'll start with you. Divya, you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Divya, do you have any experience?
Experience in which sector?
Any sector?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I have, as I said, I have done my graduation with business management. So my core field was human resource HR. So I have done 2 internships with HR, one in Reliance and one in Lakshmipati. It's a textile firm.
Okay.
So I have 2 internships there, and I have worked with Biz Gurukul as a marketing agent in this law, just to add something. That's all.
Okay, so Divya, why you want to change your whole background and then join aviation? Any reason?
Ma'am, the thing is, it was like my dream. It was like the core interest which I was having from 7th, 8th standard. And the thing was, my parents were like, no, you should go for business management thing only, because my father is a businessman, as I said, and my mama is a social worker. So they wanted me to do business management. That's why I did that. But after all, overall, I wanted to do aviations only, that in risk analysis part. So that was my, you can say, childhood dream.
Okay, okay, Divya. Divya, everything is fine. Little bit of softness you need to be in your voice. Okay, little bit of, because you will be joining aviation. So there, the tone and accent is very important. What you can do is, you can just, speak in little bit of softer tone, and others everything is fine. Okay, your answer is also quite appreciable, but you do not have to repeat the same sentence again and again, like some of the sentence you were repeating that you should avoid. Other than that, everything is fine. Okay, Divya, thank you. So Varshansri, not present.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, please tell.
I am T. Stevenson from Erode.
Sorry?
I'm T. Stevenson from Erode.
Sorry?
I'm T. Stevenson from Erode.
Okay.
I'm completed my 10th standard in SVN Metric High Secondary School in Kongambalayam.
Yes.
My father is a businessman. My mother is homemaker.
Okay.
And my sister had completed college.
Okay. Again, that is your introduction. Varshansri,
Yes, ma'am.
is that your introduction?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Varshansri, you need to little bit concentrate on your stoppage. Your stoppage was more than your introduction. So the way you're speaking, it is not at all fluent. Okay, you need to concentrate on your fluency. Also, you need to know to use appropriate words in your introduction. Okay, the words are not appropriate. Appropriate words it's required for you. First of all, you should tell your name, then about your family. Okay, sorry, first of all your name. If you want to say about your age, then your age you can say mention. Next you can say about your family. Okay, next you can say about your qualification, and then you can tell about your hobbies. Okay, if any experience, you can talk about your experience, And if any achievements or if any interest why you're choosing aviation, you can talk about that. Now, please, can you once again tell your introduction?
Yes, ma'am.
Please continue.
Ma'am, I am T. Stevenson from Erode. I am completed 10th standard in SVN Metric High Secondary School. My father is a businessman. My mother is a homemaker.
Do not be so fast. A little bit pause also you give, but a longer pause, but not a longer pause. Pause. Okay, shorter pause. It's required for you to give in your introduction. Please continue.
Then I like to ride in bike. Then I have a one sister, elder sister.
Okay.
She completed college.
Yes, please tell.
I like to play kabaddi in my school days. Now I am taking a training to play shuttle.
To play shuttle. Okay. You have lots of MTI issues also. Do listen to lots of English songs and you watch English movies. Okay, very important for you to listen to English songs and watch English movies, and also try to record your own introduction. Try to record your own speech and then listen to your own speech, and then try to compare it with the English movies or whatever English on YouTube channels you watch. Anything paragraph that is spoken in English, okay? Try to compare it with them. If you have a lot of mother tongue influence in your accent, try to avoid that, okay? Make a habit of not putting that MTI influence in your speech. Got it? Okay, thank you. George. Okay, it is a very long name. KX George KT Javier. Is he present? George? George? Are you present? Not present, okay. Not an issue. Shilka. Shilka?
Yes, ma'am.
Shilka, are you done with the? Are you done with this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So guys, I'll be taking your session again tomorrow, okay? We'll end the session in another 1 minute. I'll give you 10 minutes earlier, okay? So if you have any doubts or something, you can let me know now. Any doubts you have now?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Tell me.
Ma'am, can I start?
Is it Shilka?
No, ma'am, I am KX George.
Okay, KX George. Why is your name so big, George?
George is my father's name.
And Javier?
My grandfather's name.
Okay. It's a big name. Okay, you can start.
Okay. Hi ma'am, I am Helen Maria George. My age is 17 and we are 4 family members. Myself, my father, mother and
there
my brother.
There are 4 members in our family.
There are 4 members in our family.
There are
my father.
There are
father.
4. Oh yes. Tell me.
My father, my mother and my brother. My father, he is a businessman. My mother, she is a teacher. And my brother, he is studying in the 5th standard. And I have completed 10th class in UP, Uttar Pradesh, and from there I went to Kerala, and now I'm going 12th. My class is going on in 12th. In next year it will be completed. And my hobbies, I like to dance.
Okay. You cannot say my classes are still going on. You can just say I'm in the 12th standard now. Okay, I'm in 12th standard now. You can just say like that. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Other than that, it was good. Good introduction. Nice. Fluent. Understandable. I understood what you spoke. Voice was soft. Yeah, good one. Okay. Let's end the session for the day. If you guys have any doubt, just let me know. Any doubt, guys?
No, ma'am.
All of you I'm asking.
Hello, ma'am. Let me know in which time tomorrow class will be.
Sure. No problem. We'll inform you. Yeah. Okay. Goodbye, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too have a good day.
Angel is here to make you feel. I'm gonna